Let's hit him up. Let's see if he's ready to go fishing. Because I know I am. So let's see what the deal is. What's going on, bro? How you been? Cool. Sounds like a plan, man. So, you ready to get out there? Alright, cool. So what about Wednesday at 2? How's that sound with you? That's good? Alright, bet. Alright, man, we'll catch you later. Be easy. Yeah, buddy. Let's get it.
I can see one. They straight up yellow?
Straight up, yeah, you can have one.
Crazy, man. For the nighttime. I mean, if you got a dirty pond, they're gonna see a yellow chickworm, man. They're gonna see one. That is bananas, man. Oh, got one. I know, right? I was surprised too, man. This is on the green parking. First one. Let's keep them coming. I'm out with my boy Rock. He's gonna put y'all on some new game.
Area 19 baits got this bacon butter. It smells just like bacon. All you got to do is get it warm or smooth and put it on your worm. Called bacon butter.
Smells just like bacon.
Smells just like bacon.
Now we need is a pig now, man. Oh no. Missed them, guys. Damn. See if I can get him this time. We can let him eat it. Ooh, might lose it. Fish is on it too. Yeah. I think this is one of the smaller ones that I missed last time. No, not too bad.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. Nice little guy. It's a long little fish, man.
Look at my fish. Look at my worm. You got the, oh, you see
I got the darker pumpkin one.
Yeah,
you got the one with the flakes on it. You want one of these?
Nah, I should have one in that bag, man. When I tell you I got that bag full of plastic.
Tons of plastic. There we go. Catch you next time. That is spot on for bluegill color, man. Y'all peep that. That's pretty dope.
Yeah, they make them. And I just ordered these big old Senkos.
Big boys right there, man. So we need to catch a big girl.
So this is the one. That's area 19, whatever that thing is. He makes
Crazy colors, man.
And now if you put it on
Chartreuse.
shake head, it does look good, and it sit there in that middle
With the ice and everything.
in the water.
That's pretty legit.
That's why I said, let me go ahead and work this bait caster. I said, to the very least, by the end of the summer.
Oh, that's one. No! Must have been a smaller fish. He hit it 2 times.
What's that little red thing?
It's a bead. It creates like vibration in dirty water, and also, man, it's supposed to mimic like a crayfish. So, yeah, I guess excellent. Yeah, because what it does is when that weight goes up and down like this,
yeah,
it creates sound. Yeah, for like dirty water and stuff.
I'm talking about. I ain't talking $10. Talking 50, 60.
For real?
$70. That's how
A
much
grip.
they did.
Uh-oh, that's one. Oh, shoot. They're stacked up on that tree, man. On that limb.
I got some weight on there. I'm ready to come get me one.
About broke another rod. Almost got this through the eye. Look at that. Come on, big girl. We got something for you. Got that bacon butter. Yeah, so when I first throw it in, I just let it sit there for about 4 or 5 seconds. I think something already on. I feel like it almost. Because a lot of times fish will hit on that drop, that initial drop, man. And then I start this like bringing in this shaking it slowly. I think this side over here is like the deepest side of this pond. And the wind's blowing this way too, so that helps.